Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to create AI generated art from your phone. If you want to create an AI generated art, so you just have to install an application on your phone. Just open your Play Store app, go to search bar, and here you just have to search for Imagen app. Just search for it and just install this application. As you can see, I have already installed it. After installation, you just have to open it. Just tap on open, and here you just have to write a prompt. Just right here, as I am writing a girl with shiny hairs. Just write it, and here you just have to tap on create video. Just tap on it. After skipping the ad, you will be able to receive your result. Here you can see that our prompt has been in our photo. So thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.